Hi guys, welcome to You Teach. I am Yusuf, and this channel is dedicated to helping you master Microsoft Excel step by step. Whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your skills, you will find practical tips, formulas, functions, and real-life Excel solutions here. Do you have a question or do you have a data set you might want me to explain? Kindly leave it in the comment. I might feature it in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a lesson. Let's learn Excel together. So today, what I'm going to explain to you is what is Microsoft Excel. What is Microsoft Excel? Because I need people to understand that you learning Microsoft Excel is not just for learning sake. You must know what it is for before, listen to me, before you start learning how to use it. So now, as you can see, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft used to organize, calculate, analyze, and visualize data. So you use Excel. I just call it Excel. You can also call it Excel if you want to. So you can use Excel to organize data. You can use it to calculate data. You can use it to analyze data and visualize data. This is for accountability, transparency, simplicity, and sanity. Good. So next, we're going to check why use Excel. Why do people use Excel? Why do you think people use Excel? Number one, to organize data. How do you organize data? If you want to organize data, you're a teacher, you're an inventory officer, you're a nurse, you're a doctor, you're an accountant, you have different documents on your table, you don't know where to start from. You can use Excel to organize all those data to make it transparent and accountable. You understand? And free your mind. For example, let's say as a principal of a school, you want to get the information of all the staff in the school. You want to get the information of all the students in the school. So you can use Excel to organize all those data. You can say, okay, staff of pre-nursery to primary 6, you can create a sheet for it. Staff of GS1 to SS3, you can create a sheet for it. Total number of all the students in the school, you create a list for it. Total number of basic 1, you create a list for it. Total number of basic 5, you create a data for it. So that's how you use to organize all your data. Number 2, you can use it to perform calculations. Number 2, you can use it to do what? Perform calculations. So how can you perform calculations? Now, for example, if you want to sum all the summation, if you want to add all the courses, if you want to add all the scores of an individual, you can use Excel to perform all that calculation. For example, Mr. A scored 70 in maths, Mr. A scored 50 in English, Mr. A scored 80 in geography, You understand? So Mr. A scored, so you can see that all is Mr. A. So you want to get the total score of Mr. A. Excel can help you perform all those calculations. Why are you wasting your time and just stressing yourself going manual? Number three, it can help you to analyze information. It can bring important decision after analyzing your Excel. You can get important information from it. Very, very important. Number four, you can use it to create charts and dashboard. If your boss asks you for, okay, what happened to last week's sales? What happened? Why am I seeing this? Why am I seeing that? By creating a chart board, you can say, sir, we sold more of item A. Last week, we sold less of item B last week. But this week, we sold more of item B. So from there now, your boss can get important informations. You understand? You don't need to start showing your boss numbers. Your boss does not want to see numbers. Let me be honest with you. He prefers seeing charts with easy explanation that is easy explainable to him, that when he sees it, he does not need to call anybody to come and start saying, explain this for me. You already see a chart. Maybe on a bar chart, for example, you have 5 boxes. One box is higher than one, and the one that is higher, there's a name there. You already know, okay, this went up, this went down. I don't know that I get my point. Good. So you can use it to create charts and dashboard. You can use it to create charts and dashboard. So you can use it to automate repetitive tasks. Good. So that's why we use Excel. Organize data, perform calculations, analyze information, create chatbot and dashboard, automate repetitive tasks. So number three, why Excel is used. Sorry, where Excel is used. So where is Excel used? I don't know who is watching, but anybody that is watching, where do you think Excel is used? You yourself that you are watching, do you think you need Excel? And after understanding Excel, where can you use it to work? Where can you use Excel to work? Let me tell you, Excel professionals, they collect so much money from businessmen that are confused, to be honest with you. You understand? For inventory management. I'm coming. So I will now explain to you where Excel is used. So it's used in businesses. So different business use Excel. Yes, really to straight their business. Because believe me, if a businessman tells you that my business is a mess, let me tell you, they are going down the drain. They are going down the drain. Because how can you know? You bought an item, or you bought some product from probably you bought it from outside the country. You understand? You received it, you pay so much money for it, you bring it down, take it to your warehouse, and they start sales. You sell, your sales rep sell your inventory, and at the end of the day, you are not seeing money. Your stock is going down, sales is moving, but money is not showing. You cannot hold anybody accountable for any loss. Sometimes you can even call an auditor to check, but still, you understand. So every businesses needs Excel. Accounting, that one is sure. Finance, there's even financial accounting in Excel. So everybody needs Excel in accounting. As long as you're in the account department, just know that yes, you need Excel. Then number three, finance. That is where Excel is used again. Excel is used in inventory management. Excel is used in human resources. How is it used in human resources? You can use Excel to track your best staff. You can use Excel to track who does what. Like, you can use it to track KPI of the staff that is working and the staff that is not working. Yes. And finally, you can use it in education. In any other place, you can use it in fintech. Anywhere, Excel is used everywhere as long as data is concerned. So let's go to the next slide. Next slide. So what are the key features of Excel? The key features, because like I told you, people that are learning AI, people that are learning AI that don't know Excel, they will always give wrong information, because the information they always give you may not be always right, because AI depends on the prompt that you give it. People that understand Excel, when they give AI a prompt, you understand, AI will give them exactly what they want. Get. So now I'll tell you the key features of Excel that if you know them, you'll be able to work with AI, you'll be able to command AI, you'll be able to tell AI what you want, and it will give you the required answer that you need. Okay, the first feature is rows and column. I wouldn't like to open my Excel. If not, I'll open my Excel and explain to you, but I'm still coming to rows and columns in my next video. I'll explain what row is, what column is. But for now, I just need you to know the key features of Excel. We have rows and columns, we have formulas and function. All these formulas use it for mostly repetitive tasks. We have tables, like in my last video, I did how to create a table. We have charts. This chart is for visualization and dashboard. We have pivot tables. This pivot table is technical, but it's not really hard like that, because I learned pivot table myself because I was under duress. Like, I was under duress, so it was just like a getaway card. So I gave myself resilience before I could learn pivot table. So if I'm doing a video for pivot table, I will give you step by step on how to do a pivot table in Excel. Then lastly, we have conditional formatting. For example, in human resources, you can put it in your Excel that, okay, anybody that you type his name, maybe you input his name, maybe anybody that comes maybe after 8 is late. If you can do a conditional formatting that when someone just type 802, or when someone just sign in 802, it's going to show red. So you can use conditional formatting for all those stuffs. Good. So these are the key features of Excel. So next now, I want you to think of Excel as a smart digital notebook that stores data. Now, people that were born in the 90s, I know that most people now don't know what they call report card. Before, there was nothing like data. People that were born in the 90s, they know what data is. They know what a report card is. It's a book that they take all the data of the student inside. You understand? And so I need you to think of Excel like that book. You understand? It stores data, it performs calculations. There are calculations like the total score of a student. It performs the calculation automatically and presents information clearly. So I need you to think of Excel like that. Finally, if there's any questions, like I told you, you can write your question, you can comment, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. This is Teach Channel. Bye.